have a soap, a faucet, and a hand dryer.
Go, Alexander.
You guys are jamming out. Woo! Get it, mama, get it. Good job, mama. Woo! You guys are making nice music there. You see a natural, mama? Speak into it.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Next one.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
That's nice. Look at all the aquariums, mama. That's cool.
Hi, Daddy.
Look at this big, oh my gosh, it is a stingray. Look at his tail.
Look, Alexa, come here.
I got him. I got him. Giant fish, wildlife everywhere. Look at that giant ray right there. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. Animals everywhere. Hey, friend. What are you doing over there? Hey, friend.
This is our male. We do have a female as well. But both of them have free
He likes the
range
AC, the little monkey.
So she can be anywhere.
Oh, that's cool.
We've got a bat here in the rainforest. Oh, there's a ton of them in there, Mama. Look. Look, they're all hanging up right here. Hey, friend. Which one's from the Philippines, Mama?
You saw the number in the,
Yes, yes, yes.
in the same.
Oh, that's cute. That's a porcupine. Hey, friend.
You know that was very long.
Straight.
Mama, can we get a Komodo dragon as a pet?
Absolutely.
No, I don't see it.
Right there. You see him?
Big Komodo dragon. It's only about 200 pounds.
You see him? Right there. He bites.
Got cute baby ducks over here. Hey, cute baby ducks.
What kind of what is that? The one with the long legs.
Hey, friends. Peacock. Look, it's Mama's favorite bird, a peacock. With the little baby. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. Oh, look, they're looking at us. Hey, friend.
Look, it has a baby.
The baby's looking at you too.
I know.
Hey, friend. How you guys doing? Look at all the friends over here. Ooh. What are you guys doing?
It's my favorite, Daddy. Daddy.
Oh. Got all the birds paired up here. We got 2 ducks here. We got 2 birds of the same kind here. This giant fish here, that's like almost 6 feet long. Next to this little bitty turtle. Wow. Look at these fish when they swim with their eyes above water. That's so nasty.
Oh, no, that
Hey,
fish.
fish.
It's like a crocodile.
That's Nathan's looking at us.
I'm looking at his bowl.
Wow, that's a big fish.
Big fish.
Wow.
Toucan.
Look at the little baby things like deer. Hey, baby
What
deer.
is that? It looks like... It's so cute. It looks like a real movie, like this.
Vampire bat.
Look, they're right there.
They're hanging. Just did the rainforest and bug encounter. What did you think, Mama? Was it awesome? There was a lot of bugs, most especially albino roaches, which were really nasty. Go to the aquarium at Moody Gardens. What do you think? Are you excited about the aquarium? Aquarium is open daily from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wow, big circular aquarium. Baby, can we get an aquarium like this?
Oh, look at those silver ones.
Wow. Those are so pretty.
It's got circles.
Yeah. All right, there's some that are late risers. They're over here partying. We had this guy right here. He just jumped out of the water. And they got an iceberg in there. These are penguin skeletons. King penguin right here, flightless. And then the bald eagle bird. Oh, bald eagle. This is the American bird. And that's a beautiful wife. Hi, beautiful wife. Tanks here. Wow, you see one there in the back and one here. Wow.
This moves.
Look at the shark.
What did you find here, Mama?
Shark.
A shark. Ooh. Ooh. He's gonna bite
Oh my
Mama.
gosh. What the heck?
Look at that shark.
And that is cold.
But what is this? Like this, like
Coral.
tree?
It's coral. It's coral. Hi, shark. I love fish. Smell you later. You're the funniest fish ever, buddy. Look at this guy's nose. Look, shark attack. The aquarium and the South Pacific trees. Wow. My wife says that this is a unicorn fish. I think this guy's got a big nose. What do you think? Unicorn or nose? Hanging out with the fish. Oh, Mama, do you like all this jelly? Did you pee on it? Oh, wow. That is amazing. Alexander, look at me. God made them differently, Mama.
I'm gonna punch you.
You gonna punch me? That's why.
Look at him underwater.
Hey, friend.
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Waxy.
That's him.
Where they go?
Look at him right here.
This room. Wow. Completely surrounded by water. So we just got out. There's the hotel right there. The pyramids. We hit all the pyramids today. What'd you think, family? What'd you think, family? Was it a great experience?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Boom. All right. So they also have a rope course here. They also have a water park over there. Ropes course is closed. All right. So we have ended our day. We got some drinks, but my wonderful wife just found a perfect place. Hi, wonderful wife. What did we find?
A relaxing area.
We found some chairs that fit perfectly in the back. Up top, it's got some AC coming down. Super relaxing for the end of the day. We did 6.5 hours of fun after staying at the hotel. Would you say thumbs up, Mama?
3 thumbs up.
3 thumbs up.